Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. We have another unboxing for you today, and this one is from Open Gate, and they've changed the shape of the box, so let's see what's inside. Yay! Alright, so I know I was going to cancel the Open Gate ones, but we're still going strong with those because they have been such fun subscription boxes to open. Eventually I will have to give them up so we can do another one. We have other subscription boxes in the pipeline. I should be posting the Ginger Quilter quilt box subscription. I should be posting the Ginger Quilter quilt box subscriptions. What a tongue twister. I should be posting the Ginger Quilt subscription boxes here in the next couple of weeks, so you'll get to check those out, as well as we're going to be doing a mystery quilt with cotton cuts. This is something I have just saw online. I am purchasing it just like everybody else, but I'm going to do a video a month on that mystery quilt with my clue. So if you want to follow along, you could also check out cotton cuts. I'll put the link below. The sign up was a couple months ago, but I do believe it's still open. And the cool part about it is you get to pick the collection of fabric you want to make your mystery quilt with. I'm going with all grays because I kind of want to use it as a teaching tool to talk about value and tone with you guys. And let me think if there's anything else on that. So far so good. Customer service has been great. The price seems nice. I have never done a mystery quilt, so this is my very first mystery quilt. So I am excited to do it, and I'm going to share the experience with you and let you know what I think of doing a subscription mystery quilt. The other one I did is there is a block of the month with Hummingbird Lane Quilt Shop, actually here in the Valley, and they are doing one called Graphic Jam instead of Traffic Jam, which I love that. I love when they twist the words. But anyway, that one is a complex paper piece block of the month. I do enjoy doing paper piecing. I have not gotten into designing complex paper piecing, so I thought it would be fun to do a block of the month and actually learn what are the pitfalls to avoid when designing a complex paper piecing by doing a different person's block. So I will put that link below too. Those are both going to be coming throughout the year. If you want to sew along with me, make sure you hop over and subscribe to either one of those. Or if you just want to see what it's all about, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe so you're notified when I drop videos and you can know when those videos are up. So those are all the beginning of the year commercials. Let's get to what is in this funky box. If you have been following along, you know that Open Gate quilt boxes come in a flat rectangular box. And then this month it came in a cube, very curious. And it has the word fragile on top, even curiouser. So we are going to see what is inside this box. So without further ado, let's switch over to the overhead camera. All right, so let's see what we've got. I have cut the tape just to save time. You guys don't need to see that. And let's see what we've got inside. Open Gate quilt box as usual. Beautiful little thing on the top. Open it up here. This is our directions. I'm guessing by the blue that it's going to be a winter theme, but we're going to look at this after I go open the box. It's like Christmas in January. Let's see here. Hat, mug rug. Oh, look how cool is that? All right. I know you guys can't see it yet, but let me make sure I can do this. Oh, how cute. All right, so we have our very own Open Gate coffee mug. Let's see if we can get it without the glare of the lights. Oh, and it's got a little puppy, little doodles right there. How cool is that? Definitely, I don't drink coffee. I do sometimes drink hot beverages, not very often, but these are awesome in the studio to throw all of my vertical tools in. So we have that, so we're gonna just leave that so you can see it. And then we get this little teeny tiny bundle of fabric. And what is this? A little Pellon, oh, fusible fleece. So there must be some fusible fleece inside. Oh, it's a little, let's see if you can see that. Little hat mug rug. There's a little sketch of it. Oh, that is too cute. Too cute. All right, I'm not gonna open this up just yet. But if the same fabric isn't somewhere else, we'll open this so you can see what that looks like. But I do want to tuck this in here just so I don't lose it. All right, this month, every month you either get a fat quarter in your box or a pattern. This month we got one of her patterns. This is Hopscotch from Open Gate. Very, very pretty. Uses a 1/4 yard each of 10 batiks. Let's see, I mean, it looks like you could even do it maybe with a jelly roll. Let's see what it says. There's a better picture of it without the glares. Oh, that's so funny. I never noticed she had a sweet little puppy in her logo. So without getting into the pattern too much, yeah, it's all done with 2.5 inch strips. So you could do a jelly roll with this too. That would be really fun. So that is the pattern for this month, is Hopscotch. I know I'm like being super neat and organized this month. I don't know, it's the beginning of the year. Just kind of try to stay on top of that. All right, then we've got a thing about, she's doing her billing differently, but if you haven't done this, you don't need to really worry about the details. The big deal is that they used to bill you once a month. You had to hit on invoice and then pay it. I think it's going to auto bill, which that's easier. I don't have to think about it. All right, so this project this month, there it is, there's fabric. Let It Snow, a 24 inch by 24 inch quilt. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to crack into this so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, here's a picture. Here we go. That is, oh, how cute is that? And then there is the little mug rug with the mug they gave us. So it's actually the shape of a little snowman hat. Very, very cool. That one might have to be a video because, you know, dimensional shapes are kind of hard for people. And there we go. There is the, all the directions. And the pretty, pretty snowflakes. So there we go, there's that. Then we have in here a pack of fusible, sewable, iron-on. Oh, so this is the fusible web from Heat and Bond Light, okay. And then we have our Aurifil navy thread. So we've got quite a lot of goodies in this one. This is just super, super pretty. I can see myself doing this. Again, I have all of the fabrics that I need, I think, except for the back, and yeah, 1 yard of backing not included, which I can get. But that's a really cute table topper. We happen to have a round table that I can't really use. I can use a runner, but it hangs off the edge. And as you may or may not know, we have a Great Pyrenees who could just grab that edge. So we do like square table toppers. So this would be a really, really cute one for winter in between those holidays. And then we have the super cute coffee mug picture, the pattern, the fusible web, the mug, and the thread. Now again, this is I think it is a $42 box or $44 box, but then with shipping, it's a nice round $50. I should probably double check here. Yeah, it's $42. You can do it $52 if you want backing each month, which is kind of nice. If bump it up and you get your matching backing. 3 weeks to cancel, so you can cancel month to month. It's kind of handy she gave me this. She does, shipping costs are increasing around the world, as we all know. So US shipping is $8, so 42 plus 8 years are 50. If you're in Canada, it's $21. I know, I hate having to ship stuff to Canada, though I love all my Canadian followers. It seems like price gouging just to go over the border. But anyway, that is that. Now let's go over her menu of what comes in the box. Make sure I didn't miss anything. So the Let It Snow wall hanging includes blues and whites fabrics for tops and bindings and patterns. So this month is not a sign specific collection, which is probably she had all these blues that went beautiful together. The mug rug is Welcome Winter fabric from Henry Glass with enough fabric to make the mug rug full color pattern and fusible batting are all in this little bundle. The notion of the month is the Heat and Bond fusible webbing. The Aurifil thread is the navy blue thread. The Hopscotch pattern from, this is using her new line Dusk to Dawn. We designed, well, I didn't, my husband designed a quilt using her fabric, and I actually have it here, and I may be demoing the Stripology ruler with it, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. Fabric is gorgeous, and that is in stores right now, and what I'm talking about again is Dusk to Dawn from Maywood Studio, just hit stores. Let's see here. She even gives you a video that you can go and check out, you know, and see what's in the box. You could go to the Open Gate Quilt Box YouTube, or I would just go to Open Gate Quilt. I would go to the Open Gate Quilt YouTube channel. If you can't find it on YouTube, most of us have a link on our website. Somewhere at the top or bottom, it's a little icon of YouTube. You can click on that. That'll take you to the channel. And that's everything for the January box. So lots of yummy goodies here. Again, all these sweet little projects. I wish I had like a whole week just to sew all my cute little projects. What I do with these little projects is I throw them in my travel bag to take when I go to retreats or classes, and if I have a few minutes to sew up a little project, I have one ready to go in my bag. So with all that said, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of the Open Gate quilt box. This is the January quilt box. Of all of the subscription boxes we've done, this has been my favorite. I've really enjoyed opening it each month. It's very complete, it's well done, it's put together. Everything has been very clear and easy to do. So if you are looking for one, this one is one I would definitely recommend. So with all that said, let's wrap this one up, and I will see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.